Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to deactivate a community on WhatsApp. Why would you want to know how to deactivate a community on WhatsApp? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to deactivate a community on WhatsApp. So today I am going to show you how to deactivate a community on WhatsApp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Deactivating a community on WhatsApp is quite simple. First of all, you have to do is open WhatsApp. Now you are seeing community button at the top left corner. Click on it. Now select your community. Click on three dots at the top right corner. Select community info. Scroll down. Click on deactivate community. Press deactivate. Confirm it. Your community has been deactivated. There you go. If you wanted to know how to deactivate a community on WhatsApp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.